In Redington Beach, homeowners enjoy the beauty of coastal living, from ocean breezes to stunning sunsets. However, living near the coast also brings a unique set of challenges when it comes to home protection. Salt air, humidity, and occasional tropical storms can weaken doors over time, leaving families vulnerable to both the elements and security risks. That's why many Redington Beach residents are turning to professional door replacement as a key step toward improving their home's security. A new, high-quality door doesn't just enhance curb appeal, it acts as a stronger barrier between your family and potential threats. Let's explore how modern door replacement can play a vital role in keeping your home safe and secure. Replacing worn doors eliminates weak points over time. Doors in coastal areas endure a lot of stress. Constant exposure to moisture, heat, and salt air can cause wood to swell, paint to peel, and metal components to rust. These issues not only make your door harder to close and lock properly, but they also weaken its structural integrity. A worn or warped door often leaves small gaps around the frame, gaps that intruders or high winds can easily exploit. Even the best locks can't protect a door that no longer fits securely. Replacing outdated or damaged doors with modern, reinforced options restores a tight, secure fit. It eliminates entry points for drafts, water, and unwanted guests while providing renewed protection for your home and loved ones. Stronger materials for better protection. The material you choose for your new door has a major impact on its strength and security. Modern replacement doors are built using durable, impact-resistant materials designed to withstand force and harsh weather. Some of the best options for Redington Beach homes include fiberglass doors. These doors mimic the beauty of wood but resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. They're lightweight, strong, and ideal for humid coastal conditions. Steel doors. Known for their durability and impact resistance, steel doors provide an added layer of defense against intruders and flying debris during storms. Solid wood or composite doors. When properly sealed, these doors offer both strength and timeless aesthetics. Many modern doors also include reinforced frames and insulated cores, making them not only more secure but also more energy efficient, an added bonus for Florida homeowners. Upgraded locking systems for peace of mind. A door's locking mechanism is its first line of defense. Traditional locks can loosen or wear out over time, especially in humid climates. New door systems often come equipped with multi-point locking mechanisms that secure the door at several points along the frame, making it much harder to force open. Homeowners can also choose to integrate smart locks or keyless entry systems for added convenience and control. These allow you to monitor access remotely and ensure your door is always locked, even if you're away. For Redington Beach families, combining a high-quality door with modern locking technology provides both safety and convenience, giving you confidence that your home is protected around the clock. Enhanced storm and impact-resistant security isn't just about preventing intrusions, it's also about safeguarding your home against severe weather. In Redington Beach, where tropical storms and hurricanes are a seasonal concern, impact-rated doors are an invaluable investment. These doors are tested to withstand high winds and flying debris, ensuring your entryways remain sealed and secure even in extreme conditions. With reinforced glass panels and heavy-duty frames, impact-resistant doors provide year-round peace of mind, keeping your family safe from both natural and human threats. A safer, more comfortable home environment. Replacing your doors doesn't just improve security, it enhances your overall home environment. Modern insulated doors reduce outside noise and improve energy efficiency, keeping your living space quieter and more comfortable. Additionally, the aesthetic boost of a new door enhances curb appeal and can increase your property value, making it a smart investment for both safety and resale potential. Final thoughts for Redington Beach families. A door replacement is more than a home improvement. It's a step towards stronger protection, greater comfort, and lasting peace of mind. With durable materials, upgraded locks, and impact-resistant designs, Today's modern doors are built to handle both Florida's coastal weather and everyday security concerns. By partnering with a local professional who understands the area's unique needs, you can select and install the perfect door that combines style, durability, and security, ensuring your home remains a safe haven for years to come.